All right. Good morning, AP Computer Science students. Hope you're doing all right and safe at home here on this snow day, January 6th. I want to make sure this folder makes sense because it's a little bit goofy. So hopefully you're watching this intro video here. And then here's our lesson. It's going to be on how arrays are sort of stored in memory. It's kind of a weird lesson, but I'm going to have you watch it. And realistically, you only have to watch about the first 7, 10, 7, 15, right? And then what happens is it's going to go through some Kahoot questions. Okay, and I do want you to actually try the Kahoot, but then you can use this video um, after 7:15 here to check your work. So like if you get Kahoot number 1 wrong, you can watch this piece and then go down a little more wrong. And if you get say Kahoot 2 wrong, then you can watch the Kahoot 2 explanation in the video. And then if you get Kahoot 3 wrong or don't understand it, I guess even if you get it right but don't understand it, you could come in here and watch the video explanation. Okay, so kind of the idea is watch the first 7:15 of this video, start the Kahoot, and then any of them that you get wrong in the Kahoot, go back to the video and watch the explanations. Okay, and I think that'll be a pretty good way to learn this lesson. And then I probably will enter a grade for the Kahoot, so make sure you're doing it and use your actual name. And then you'll show up in Kahoot in here. I'll be able to see you in the Kahoot. So this link, just click on this link and it should take you straight to the Kahoot. All right, that hopefully is it. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out by email. I'm happy to help in any way possible. All right, have a good day.